JBL Flip7 Review, the ultimate portable speaker for any occasion. When it comes to portable Bluetooth speakers, JBL has long been a name associated with quality, durability, and exceptional sound. With the release of the JBL Flip7, the brand continues to push the envelope by offering a speaker that blends style, performance, and ruggedness. Whether you're hosting a beach party, hiking through the mountains, or simply relaxing at home, the Flip7 is designed to be your go-to audio companion. Sleek design meets rugged durability. The JBL Flip7 features a compact, cylindrical design that's easy to carry yet built to withstand the elements. With its IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, you can confidently take it to the pool, on hikes, or into the shower without worrying about damage. The rubberized housing ensures it can handle the occasional drop or bump, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Powerful sound in a compact body. Despite its portable size, the Flip7 delivers surprisingly powerful and clear sound. It boasts upgraded drivers and deeper bass, offering an immersive listening experience that outperforms many larger speakers. JBL's signature sound quality ensures crisp highs, rich mids, and punchy lows, making it suitable for all genres, from rock and pop to hip-hop and jazz. All-day battery life. Battery life is one of the highlights of the Flip7. With up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge, you won't have to worry about your music stopping halfway through your day. Whether you're at a full-day picnic or a nighttime gathering, the Flip7 keeps the vibe going strong without frequent recharges. Enhanced connectivity and features. The Flip7 includes the latest Bluetooth 5.1 technology, ensuring fast and stable connections with your devices. It also supports JBL Party Boost, allowing you to pair it with other compatible JBL speakers for an even more powerful, synchronized sound. The intuitive controls make it easy to manage playback, adjust volume, and take calls with a built-in speakerphone function. Conclusion: a solid upgrade worth the hype. The JBL Flip7 proves that great things come in small packages. With its rugged design, impressive sound quality, long-lasting battery, and smart features, it's a must-have for music lovers who are always on the move. Whether you're upgrading from a previous model or entering the world of portable audio for the first time, the Flip7 is a reliable choice that won't disappoint.